Welcome. If you want to keep your Discord experience a little safer by automatically blurring images in direct messages from people you don't know, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to blur images in Discord DMS from others on your mobile device. This is a great way to protect yourself from unexpected or sensitive content, and it only takes a minute to set up. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on it to open up more settings related to what you see and share on Discord. Inside the Content and Social menu, you'll see a section called Direct Messages from Others. This is where you can control how images and media from people who aren't on your friends list are handled. Tap on Direct Messages from Others, and here you'll find the option to blur sensitive media. Select Blur, and from now on, any images or media that Discord detects as potentially sensitive in DMs from others will automatically appear blurred. If you ever want to view the image, just tap the eye icon to reveal it, and you can always re-blur it if needed. This setting helps you avoid surprises and gives you more control over what you see in your messages. It's especially useful if you're in a lot of public servers or receive messages from users you don't know personally. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made your Discord DMs a safer space. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just repeat these steps and choose a different option. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on Discord.